So we'll probably want to take it, well, I guess we could swab different areas of the lettuce and then inoculate the plate. I'm just going to take one piece of lettuce off of this. I'll take this one actually. Alright, so I'm just going to swab the top, and then I'm going to swab the inside part, and I'll try to get part of the leafy bits too. And you'll want to rotate your swab so that you get it on all sides. Alright, so then we're going to take our lettuce plate and we're going to swipe on the unwashed side. And then it says step 9, transfer the sample to the lettuce unwashed section of the agar plate by rubbing the swab on the agar surface within the section until it's completely coated with the inoculant. So this would be, I don't think you can see it, but I did kind of a zigzag pattern. So I'm gonna go back over it, and you wanna do more like a lawn. So you wanna rub the entire area. And when you tilt it to the side, you usually can see your swab patterns to see if you got it right. So I'm just going to grab another cup and label it waste. And so I'll stick my swab in there, and I'm going to put some 10% bleach into my waste container. All right, it says, note, be careful to only inoculate the surface within the outlined section. So now we're at step 10, place the used swab in a container of undiluted bleach. Okay, so I'll just add bleach to that. All right, so now we're at step 11. Thoroughly wash the lettuce with soap and water and then pat it dry with paper towels. So I'm gonna take this to the sink and wash it with soap and water, and then I will pat it dry with a paper towel. So I'll be right back. All right, so I've washed my lettuce with soap and water, and I don't know about you, but I usually just rinse my produce. So I'm not sure if I'm doing it wrong. So now we'll just pat it dry. It's not quite dry, so I'm gonna try to dry it a little better. All right, I think that's pretty dry. All right, so now we're at step 12. It says repeat steps 7 through 10 using the washed lettuce. So now we're going to use our second swab. We'll soak the tip into the distilled water, and then we will do the same thing. So I'm gonna take from different areas of my lettuce and rotate your swab while you're doing that. So you're getting all different sides so that when you try to transfer it to your plate, you have plenty of stuff on there. So we'll grab our lettuce plate and we will swab the wash side. And you want to get the entire area, not just like a zigzag. And then we'll put our used swab into our waste. So now we're at step 13. It says remove a sterile swab from the packet and saturate with the milk that has been opened for 7 days. So I'm going to grab 2 cups and so I can pour my milk in there. So for this one, we'll write milk open. And then for this one, we'll write milk fresh. And so I'll put this off to the side since we're done with it. I'm gonna put this off to the side and get another set of swabs for the milk. I think we're done with the distilled water, so I'll put it over here. So we're going to, I'll go grab my milk. So I'm going to pour my opened milk into the cup that says open. And then I'm going to open my milk that has been closed and put it into the milk fresh one. So, just so you can see. And then I'll put my milk back in the fridge. All right, so I'll saturate my swabs in the milk. So I'll give it, I don't know, 10 seconds to saturate. So now we are at step 13, remove a sterile swab from the packet and saturate with the milk that has been opened for 7 days. So that is this one, the one that says open. Step 14, transfer the sample to the milk opened section of the agar plate by rubbing the swab onto the agar surface within the section until it's completely coated with the inoculant. So we're going to want to, put it on this side, and you'll want to coat the entire area. So that's what mine looks like. So now we're at step 15. Place the used swab in a container of undiluted bleach. So we'll stick this in our waste. We're at step 16. Open the fresh container of milk and repeat steps 13 through 15 for this sample. So we'll swab the fresh side now. And this is easier to tell if you've coated the entire surface. And then just stick that in the waste. Because it's kind of, it's milky, so you can see it. Now we're at step 17. Place the inoculated plates bottom side up. So yeah, this way. So agar side up in your incubation location for 48 hours. So I'm going to put these in my incubation location, and then we'll be back in 2 days to review the results. And so now we're ready for cleanup. It says step 18, dispose of the used and bleached swabs in the garbage. So I'm just gonna let these sit in there for, I don't know, 10 minutes, and then I'll put them in the garbage. Step 19, wipe down your work area with a 10% bleach solution. Step 20, wash and return items to your kit for future use. And then step 21, wash your hands thoroughly. All right, so it doesn't look like we needed these things. Maybe these were for if you wanted to pour plates. So we'll just start putting stuff away, and then we'll wipe down the bench. All right, so I'm just going to pour my distilled water and both of my milks down the sink. And you can also pour your bleach down the sink, and then you can throw away the swabs into the garbage. So I'll just wipe down my table with the 10% bleach again. All right, so I'll see you guys in 2 days when hopefully we have some results.